In the unboxing video of
Very
the food,
fancy.
Miss Yuna ordered some amazing food because she loves us.
So this is kimbap. Kimbap.
Wow.
뚝배기 불고기.
Oh, I like this.
I know. It's good. 된장찌개, 김치찌개, 닭갈비. They sent us like each one.
Wow.
Menu they have, I think.
So amazing. Can I have one? Amazing. So many options. I can believe it.
Isn't it cute? They made characters.
Look how cute. 귀여운.
뚝배기 불고기.
비빔밥. 김밥.
I like the kimbap.
김치인 것 같은데, 김치. 김치전이다, 김치전.
So Miss Yuna is displaying tons of leadership, preparing food, communal food for the whole international students crew. Oh, pajong!
É só botar tudo. Bota tudo. Vai ter que colocar depois água e um pouquinho de... É pra botar aí?
Não só.
Eu não sei nada, gente. Eu sou muito burra.
Babi está tentando te ajudar, mas não consegue.
Gente, cozinha não é comigo, sabe?
Eu penso.
Acho que eu essa carne.
Oh wow. So the pachon arrived and we can try it.
Eu vou deixar pra quem cozinhou primeiro comer.
Então, a Jusson Sinim está para comer?
Momentos da verdade.
Well, Jusson Sinim is eating. She's beyond the right.
Interesting gosto. It's a little bit tasteless, but it's not bad. It feels like pancake.
But like, I mean, we still have like 3 tteokbokki sets and we don't have a place to
I think they're gonna get into the big bowls.
Eu gosto, eu acho assim.
Um pouquinho.
Sério, eu gosto.
Tem várias que
Como
Eu acho tão lindo.
eu vou botar o queijo. Okay, so we had a cultural conversation here, and Miss Yuna explained that if you're eating pachon with your boyfriend or girlfriend and there is another person, helping that other person might get you into trouble.
No, not helping.
I mean, helping, you know, with splitting the food, right? With their, when they are trying to take it and you use your chopsticks to help them, right? In some, Miss Yuna would get very angry, so don't do it.